Hello there and welcome. I'm Ole Brøgger, and if you're new here, I really hope I'll earn your subscription today. This is a very short video. I got an unexpected present from Mr. Mike Moans. Yeah, he's right there, yeah. And Mr. Mike Moans is a very talented miniature painter. He streams every day on Twitch and he just makes some awesome things. He previously sent me a lot of stuff and I got the Pirate City Brinewind ones, and I also got these epic encounters. These I actually already painted and you can see it in a video somewhere up here. This is not painted yet, but there will be a future video about this. But the most embarrassing part, the first thing he ever sent me is this set, and it is awesome. I unboxed it, but I haven't built it or painted it yet. But I have a very special idea with this set. I'm going to use these parts in something else. But the reason why I made this video is because I got this today. I don't know what it is. And it's a big surprise. And Mike, he just sent it to me. So I think I will unbox it right now. Ooh, haha, lovely. We got some stickers. Nice. And this is cool. Thank you, friend. No, it is I who thank you. And what do we have in here? It's a miniature? Ooh, no way! Ha 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 ha! No way! Oh my God! This is a miniature Mike actually painted. Now this is a surprise. This hill giant is actually one I have printed myself. Not this specific model, but I printed one and I painted it. It's almost over a year ago. And now Mike printed it and he painted it on live stream. A while ago, I shipped some Army Painter paints for Mike so he could try out the new Fanatics. And he actually used some of the Fanatics to paint the skin on this giant. I'll just go get my own version and we can compare my humble talent to the master Mike himself. This is my version of the same model and here is Mike's. And looking at all the details, I must say, Mike, you're just such a better painter than me. And I really appreciate you shipping me this one. Ooh, there's more in this little box. What do we have here? Oh, it's one of the pin badges. Oh, here we have Willow again. And another badge of Mike. This is just so cool. Okay, this is Mike's version of the hill giant and this is mine. And I'll just let it speak for itself and you can determine what you think is best. I know what I think is best and it's definitely not my model. And while we're at it, why don't we have a look at all these fine stickers he sent me. Ooh, and this is a Willow sticker. Mike, he has a cat and it's very cute. And it's always on him when he streams. Oh, here it is. Willow. These are some actual nice stickers. I know it was a short video And I just want to thank you all for watching this to the end. And especially I want to thank Mike Moans again. I will leave a link to his Twitch channel and YouTube channel in the description below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye for now.